You have no right.
David.
You didn't say you're
Let go
gonna
of my hand.
Hey, did you say you're gonna arrest me?
Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back now! You're gonna get tased.
On August 1st, 2022, Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police responded to a welfare call involving a visibly intoxicated traveler.
You want to take your backpack off real quick? No. Okay. I'm going to have you take your backpack off.
Dude, you're not touching my backpack.
Okay.
I got security clearance. You ain't touching my fucking backpack.
Okay. So did you just come in here, man? I'm just making sure you're okay because you can't even hold your phone.
We're about to leave.
Okay, where are you guys off to?
We're going back home.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, I got my.
Where's your brother at right now?
He's right there.
Which one is he? What's he wearing?
The fat one.
The fat one.
The fat one. His wife's the fat one.
Can you see him? Do you see him over there?
The fattest on the table. Are you kidding me? Seriously? So, there's one.
The guy in the black shirt? The guy in the black shirt right there?
Yeah, dude. It's the fattest on the table. Give me a break, dude. It's the fattest.
Okay. That the other officer's talking to?
No.
No? Okay.
Never seen him.
Okay.
Why?
He was pointing over, said he was with his brother, and he was pointing at you. I go, the gentleman in the black shirt? He goes, yeah. I'm like, okay, well, let me go ask.
So that's not me.
That's not you? I wouldn't claim him either. If he was. Okay, I need some help here because he's saying he doesn't know you.
He does know me.
Okay.
His last name is Davenport.
Okay. That gentleman right there in the black shirt and the jeans sitting right there talking to the lady in the green dress.
No, that's not him.
Okay, which one then? It was my mistake then.
Hey, Dustin! I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. I got her home. I was supposed to be on a flight like 20 minutes ago. It didn't work.
So, how long have you been here at DFW?
I've been here so I was supposed to show at 1.
Okay.
I had to be here 3 hours early.
Okay.
And my flight got delayed.
Okay, understand.
I'm supposed to be in Germany. I got a $30,000 wall that's supposed to fucking go in tomorrow.
Okay. It was just my going.
And sorry guys. But yeah, that's where I was supposed to go. Because my wife, literally, if I don't show up, she's gonna kill me.
Okay.
She's gonna kill me.
Okay. So, from the time you got here to DFW to the time we're talking now, how many alcoholic beverages have you had?
I came here, I didn't drink shit.
Okay, so from the time you've been here at DFW Airport today,
I drank about half a bottle of
Woodford Reserve?
Yeah.
Okay, half a bottle? Bill, can you run on two? It's name and date of birth. And then, have you had anything to eat today?
Yeah, of course.
What'd you have to eat?
Burritos.
Okay. Without looking at your watch right now, could you tell me about what time it is?
About 7, 8 o'clock.
Okay. And
my brother's a piece of shit, dude.
well, you said he was traveling with you, which might help you out.
No, he traveled with me to here. He's a piece of shit.
Okay. Alrighty.
So I guarantee you. So my wife's the lawyer for the KSK in Germany.
She's at Germany there?
She's a fucking lawyer for KSK, the Special Forces in Germany.
Okay.
So when she finds out I'm here.
Hey, again, we got kids.
Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize. Seriously. I'm sorry.
David, would you do me a favor? Just stand up for me, please?
Yeah.
Okay. I need you to stand up, David.
I can't.
I promise we're going to make you stand up one way or the other, so please just work with me here, okay?
I can't.
Okay. I need you to...
Not, dude. Seriously.
David.
Dude, I'm telling you, right now, you wanted me to stand up, pass out?
No.
I'm going to tell you right now, I'll stand up and I'll fall down on the ground.
Are you having a medical emergency?
Dude, I'm on all sorts of fucking pills, man.
Okay.
You know,
I need you to listen to me, okay? We're not in a big deal predicament right now. I just need you to stand up and listen to me, okay?
I can't stand up. That's the problem.
Okay. You can
cannot
hang on to the chair. I'm going to help you up, okay? I can help you up here.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Okay. Don't arrest me. You have no right.
David.
Don't.
David, stop. Let go of my hand.
David, let go
of my hand.
You didn't say you're
Let go of
arrest
my hand.
Hey, did you say you're gonna arrest me? No. Did you say you're gonna arrest me? Dude!
2-5-1.
Get your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back now! Put your hands behind your back now!
Dude, you're gonna get tased.
Tased me, motherfucker!
271, fight with 1 at least 17.
I tell you!
Put your hands behind your back now!
Let me tell you one, motherfucker! You don't know who you're talking to!
Bill?
You wanna Go ahead, tase me, motherfucker! Go ahead, tase it! Tase it!
Got him?
Dude, let me tell you what, right now! Yourself, dude! Boston! Boston!
Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Got him?
Dustin Davenport! Get over here! Dustin!
702, 1 in custody.
Dustin!
That's yours or his?
That's his.
We do? Dude, I'll break my goddamn ass to get all these f***s. You don't even know the fuck you're dealing with. You wanna see me break my wrist? I'll break it right now.
Hey.
Watch this shit. I'll break this right off my wrist, dude.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Calm down, dude.
No, I'm not coming down to you. Pull me down the ground. You wanna do this? You're gonna say, hey, I'm here to help you. And you wanna fucking ground?
Yeah, just that right there.
Dude, we're gonna put you on the side so you can breathe, okay?
I don't need a break, dude. You know what? You think I'm you? You think I'm fucking crazy? Dude, you don't fucking know what the fuck I've done in my life. Pull my wallet out of my pocket.
Yeah, they're getting a wheelchair.
Pull my wallet out of my pocket. Pull my wallet out of my
Y'all
pocket.
try to get him in a wheelchair.
Please
And then just
stop.
hold his feet and roll him out.
Please stop.
I mean, he's
That's
gonna.
in the past, but
Okay, we can try, but he's gonna kick him.
yeah.
He ain't walking, they don't have much.
Yeah. Is it roll?
I'm getting that wheelchair. I get in the dude. I'll fucking break my goddamn off.
Here we go.
I'll break them off, dog.
You got a seatbelt on?
Get my shit.
Can you carry his stuff right now?
Man. Get your foot up. Get your foot up. Dude, take a off the car. Take a off the car. Dude, I don't believe it. Take a knot off the coaster and fucking it's hurting me, motherfucker.
Hey,
Dude, get the
stop it.
You don't know the even fucking what you do. I hope you enjoy your life, dude. I really do. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy your life, dude. Go ahead, dude.
Y'all shaking down at all? We did a very brief on the ground,
Well,
but
let's go ahead and.
I need my laptop. I need my computer.
we got your bag. We got your bag.
There ain't nothing on me. There ain't nothing on me. Seriously, there's nothing on me. I'm ready to tell you who's on my phone number. I got George Graham's CSM 10-star major group. You know what he's gonna do for me? He'll do it. So, just loosen straps, dude.
Okay.
That's all I'm asking.
Can't do it from here though. We gotta stand up.
Dude,
We gotta stand up.
Stand up. I'll stand up.
We gotta stand up. We can't do it from here.
I'll stand up. Please, loosen the fucking strap. Please. Please. This shit fucking hurts, dude. Let's loosen it. Please. That was loose. Please.
You got room in there, man.
Dude, it's just cut my fucking...
Okay, they're nice and loose. I got a finger in between all of them.
Just like... You know what I did in my fucking current life?
Step back.
Stop. Stop.
What's your name?
I'll behave. Pick me in the car. Don't kick me.
Try to.
I'll tell you. Bitch, I'll kick you. So stop.
On the ground.
Stop.
On the ground.
Here we go.
I'm telling you. Stop it. You think you're me up?
Watch your knees.
You gotta cross them. You gotta cross them.
No. Kick you in the fucking face, dude. You have no idea how much strength I have in me. You know how many times I've been shot? Some times, dude. I've been shot some times, so you know what the feels. I'll every one of you motherfuckers. You don't put me in the fucking ground, put me in the Fort Worth, fucking Texas. Alright, you guys, hold on, let's see. Hold on one second. Stop. Stop. Seriously, 1 second, dude.
What happened?
I banged my knee.
Seriously, man. I'm not trying to fight you guys. That's the problem. You think I'm trying to fight you. I'm not. I'm not trying to fucking fight you guys. Seriously. I'm not trying to.
Put your foot in.
I'm not trying to fight you.
I'll fall lay down.
All I do is I pulled him at the car.
Okay. I appreciate everybody's help.
I pushed the cart.
It was a light switch, but he was cool. He's like, yeah, I'm not standing.
Yeah, I kind of had a feeling because I was at the pumps gassing, and they said that he relocated, and I was like, you know what, I'll start heading that way. And about the time you guys said fight, I was getting on international.
As soon as we stood him up, he started tensing up. We're like, dude, don't do it, don't do it, don't
Dude,
do
you
it.
took him down, man,
And
right
then
away.
he started to go, and I just put him on the ground. And then we were going for a race. I'm like, dude, I'm gonna tase you, I'm gonna tase you.
I was ready to
Tase
back
me, I've
off.
been
I was
shot, I've
tased.
killed
As
kids.
soon as because I said, hey, Bill, let's back. And then as soon as I said that, CBP grabbed his legs, and I was like, oh, thank God.
It's hot out here.
Hey, you guys can head in. Are you guys sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You can tell Short he doesn't need to go anymore. Lieutenant Hernandez is going to meet us at the jail. Straight to the jail. Porter's going to help out as well. I'll be down there. You?
I'm gonna follow him there.
No, you're going to go to the
Okay.
supervisor office and have someone take a look at your knee.
Okay.
Are you a David?
Yeah, I just got to work.
I left my water bottle at David. Well, I don't know.
The gang?
The flight going to the flight that's it's
David 25?
the flight that's going to Korea.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. This encounter raises three core legal questions. When does a welfare check become a lawful arrest? What force is permitted against a resisting subject? And what are the legal consequences of physical resistance at the scene of an arrest? Texas Penal Code section 49.02 defines public intoxication as appearing in a public place while intoxicated to a degree that may endanger oneself or another. The statute requires only the potential for harm, not actual endangerment. When the subject admitted consuming approximately half a bottle of bourbon on a near-empty stomach, combined with disclosed use of unknown medications and a visible inability to maintain physical stability while seated, the officers had overwhelming probable cause under this standard. Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport is unambiguously a public place under Texas law. Both elements of Section 49.02 are independently satisfied. The initial contact, however, was not an arrest, it was a consensual encounter. Under Florida v. Bostick, 501, U.S. 429, 1991, the Supreme Court held that police contacts in public transit facilities do not constitute Fourth Amendment seizures, provided a reasonable person would feel free to decline the officer's requests or terminate the encounter. That contact ripened into a lawful investigative detention only after observable intoxication established reasonable articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, and shortly thereafter into a full custodial arrest. When the subject grabbed an officer's hand and sustained active physical opposition into handcuffing, the force continuum escalated lawfully. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, the constitutionality of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not with 20/20 hindsight from the comfort of a courtroom. The Graham factors support the officers here. The subject had been given 6 or more verbal opportunities to comply. The environment was a crowded international terminal, and an undisclosed medication interaction introduced an unquantifiable safety risk. The taser was warned but not deployed, a decision reflecting sound proportionality judgment under the use of force continuum. Texas Penal Code Section 38.03 criminalizes using force to prevent a peace officer from effecting a lawful arrest. The subject's sustained physical resistance during handcuffing clearly satisfies the actus reus of this offense. Critically, the statute provides for felony elevation from a Class A misdemeanor to a third-degree felony, carrying a punishment range of 2 to 10 years in Texas state prison if the officer sustains bodily injury during the resistance. At least one officer reported a knee injury sustained during the struggle. Whether that injury meets the statutory threshold for bodily injury is a factual determination for the prosecution, but the subject's legal exposure is squarely in felony range. Case outcome is unknown at time of analysis. Based on the footage, charges most likely include public intoxication under Texas Section 49.02 and resisting arrest under Section 38.03 with potential third-degree felony elevation. Depending on the formal classification of the officer's knee injury, the lead officer receives a B+. He made no fewer than 6 documented de-escalation attempts before initiating physical control, correctly identified a potential medical dimension when the subject disclosed unknown medication use, and did not deploy the taser despite sustained provocation. Wheelchair transport was arranged proactively, reflecting a genuine duty of care awareness for an intoxicated subject, an obligation that survives regardless of the subject's behavior. Minor deductions apply for an early backpack demand that lacked articulated legal authority and for communication choices during the struggle that fell below the professional de-escalation standard recommended when engaging potentially medicated subjects. The subject receives a D. No viable legal basis existed for resisting any phase of this encounter. By the time the arrest was initiated, probable cause under Section 49.02 was not merely present, it was overwhelming. Physical resistance converted a non-custodial Class C misdemeanor, carrying a maximum fine of $500, into a potential third-degree felony carrying up to 10 years. The appropriate remedy for any unlawful police action is the court system, never the arrest scene. Late-stage cooperation prevents an F. But the pattern of decisions beginning hours before this encounter produced every adverse legal consequence that followed. 3 lessons emerge from this encounter. First, visible intoxication in any Texas public space independently supports a criminal arrest under Section 49.02, regardless of the individual's stated circumstances, claimed status, or intent to travel. The probable cause threshold is low, and the burden shifts immediately. Second, physical resistance of a lawful arrest is never a legal remedy. It is a separate criminal offense that compounds exposure and forfeits the moral and legal credibility that a clean compliance record would otherwise provide in court. Third, early and explicit communication of arrest status by officers, rather than extended negotiation, reduces prolonged resistance by eliminating ambiguity about the subject's legal obligations at that moment. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.